right. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. I'll take it. Yes. Yes.
Very good.
Yes. Antonio, I need a picture of you.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Hold it. Wait, wait. Antonio in the picture too. Antonio y foto. Yes, por favor. Tres.
All right.
Tres. Sí. Good. Uno, dos, y tres. Again.
Okay, my phone?
Sí. ¿Dónde?
You can put that down, Heidi.
I got it.
I'm looking.
Okay. Uno, dos, y tres. Pop. And again, pop. Good.
That's awesome.
Right, perfect.
Okay.
Woo!
All right, my friend, maybe you want to sit down right here, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Watch out.
Oh my God! Yes. Oh, yes.
It won't fit.
That was mine, my friend.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Captain, you're the best, Antonio. Captain Antonio, you're the best, man.
Oh my God.
Look at the size of this fish.
Give me a kiss. Congratulations.
It doesn't even fit the cooler.
Oh my God.
All right.
Gracias. Oh, gracias.
All right. Got little weehoos in there.
Oh, see, okay.
A little baby, a little mine.
Yeah.
For many años. Many años. He's one.
Check the difference in size. Look at the size.
Me too. That's funny. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, Jim's in mine. Oh my
Big
God.
difference in size.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
That's cooler.
What cooler?
You see the buoy?
Yep.
¿Dónde? Sí, okay.
Way out there.
That's fine.
Maybe another one.
Yeah.
Okay, well, another one.
Man,
Oh my God.
good luck fitting to that.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah.
My goodness gracious. That's awesome. All right, there we go. There we go.
Your fish of your life.
I know, this is
Your
fantastic.
fish of your life.
He fought great too.
Yes, he did. You did great.
He was great.
I got underwater and it charged the camera, believe it or not, at one point. So we got
Fantastic.
real
Oh
good
no, I'm
underwater.
sure.
And that's turning it off, right?
No, it wasn't on yet.
Okay.
Now it's off.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are amazing.
Guys.
You tried so hard for us. My goodness.
Jim has waited all his life for this.
My God. Beautiful fish. Had to fold it over.